If you're looking for a sleek, high-quality dash cam that won't draw attention while offering 4K resolution, the REXING V1 might be the answer. It's one of those gadgets that promises to record your drives in stunning detail while staying virtually hidden on your dashboard. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive into the features, pros, and cons and give you a well-rounded view of this dash cam. The REXING V1 is a 4K Ultra HD dashcam equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and a 170-degree wide-angle lens. One of the standout features is its ability to capture 2160p video, even during fast-paced driving. The wide-angle lens is paired with wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, which allows the camera to adjust exposure in various lighting conditions, providing balanced images day or night. If you're someone who drives in varied conditions, this is a critical feature, ensuring your footage isn't overexposed or underexposed. Another key feature of the V1 is its supercapacitor. Unlike lithium-ion batteries, a supercapacitor can endure extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, making it more reliable in hot or cold climates. This durability prevents the overheating issues that some dashcams experience and prolongs the lifespan of the camera. With the parking monitor function, the camera can record when it detects vibrations or when motion occurs, ensuring it captures key moments even when the car is parked. However, you'll need to purchase a smart hardwire kit to fully activate the parking mode. But it doesn't stop there. The REXING V1 also supports loop recording, meaning it will automatically overwrite the oldest footage once the memory is full. This ensures continuous recording without having to manually clear footage. Additionally, the G-sensor feature locks videos when an impact is detected, so critical footage is saved and protected from being overwritten. It's the kind of insurance you need when you're involved in an accident. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: 4K Ultra HD video, crystal clear footage that makes license plates and other details easy to read. Wide-angle lens. A 170 degrees field of view captures a lot more than most dash cams. Supercapacitor, great for extreme temperature ranges, so it's built to last. Parking mode, the dash cam records even when the car is off, giving you extra protection. Loop recording and G-sensor, continuous recording and automatic protection of important footage. Wi-Fi connectivity, allows you to view and share recordings via the mobile app. Cons, no built-in GPS. For the price, a GPS option would have been a nice addition for location tracking. Parking mode requires hardwiring. While the parking mode is useful, you'll need to purchase a hardwiring kit separately, adding to the cost. Small screen. The 2.4-inch display is a bit small compared to other models with larger screens. When it comes to value for money, the REXING V1 delivers a solid performance. While it's not the most feature-packed dash cam on the market, the 4K resolution, durable supercapacitor, and parking monitor make it a good value for drivers who want high-quality video and reliable functionality without breaking the bank. In comparison with similar models, the REXING V1 is priced competitively. If you compare it to other dash cams like the Nextbase 522GW, the V1 offers a better video resolution but lacks GPS and voice commands, which the Nextbase model provides. If you're looking for a dash cam with more smart features, the Vantru N2 Pro might be a better choice, but it's more expensive and doesn't offer the same 4K video quality. So, who is the REXING V1 for? If you're a commuter, someone who parks in different locations, or anyone looking for a straightforward, reliable dash cam that doesn't scream for attention, this is a strong contender. However, if you need built-in GPS or more advanced features like voice control, you might want to explore other options. Conclusion: strong option. The REXING V1 is an excellent choice for those who prioritize 4K video quality, durability, and parking monitoring. If you're after a dash cam with more advanced features like GPS or voice control, consider other options. But for everyday drivers, this one delivers. If this review helped you out and you want more updates on the latest automotive products, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching. And if you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep your drive safe and your roads autovated.